Hi guys, today we are gonna be showing you how to make a glowing ball. First, put the transparency up to 3%. Then get another ball. Make it a little bit more smaller. Then put the ball inside of the other ball. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger so it fits. It's more like a orbit. It looks like one, I mean. And this time this needs to be light, and the outside of the ball needs to be dark. Oh, first let me do something. Okay, there. Now let me do something. Since they added this new thing called edit mode, I meant camera mode in the game, I'm gonna make this glow. Also, it's much more easier to do it this way since they added camera mode, which does this thing that you're seeing right now. Anyways, let's start making it a yellow. Very dark. Let me make this a little more smaller. Put it up. Super bright. Oh, looks pretty cool, huh? That's how you were supposed to do it. Kind of forgot, guys. But you can do this with any type of color you want, just like one light, then one other one that is like just darker. And then make them both neon.